Good morning students, I'm Shaila Goel, your English teacher. Today I'm back with the topic prepositions. Prepositions tells us about the movement, location, place, etc. of a noun in relation to other objects present in the sentence. Today we are concentrating on prepositions of movement. Across. Across is a preposition which tells us about the movement from one side of an area, surface or line to the other side. Students, you have to remember that this movement is on the surface, not through the enclosed place. Okay, it is on the surface. Let's look an example. I drew a line across the paper. Now this across tells us that we have marked on the paper. Okay. Through is the movement from one side of an enclosed place to the other. The ball went through the window. Now this window is a part of enclosed place, that is a room or a building, and the ball is going through the window shows that the movement is from one side to the other and it is enclosed place. Other examples of through are the train moved through the tunnel. Now tunnel is an enclosed place through which the train moved. Along is to follow a line, whereas when we talk about a circular movement, we talk about around. Around is to go in a circular direction around some obstacle. For example, we walked around the lake. Now the movement is circular, whereas we walked along the road shows that we have taken a linear motion. Okay, another example is we walked around the group of children. We walked along the river. Now into is to go from outside a space to inside a space. Now this movement is in the enclosed place. The cat went into the box. Box is a enclosed place. Now these children are jumping into the water. The children jumped into the lake for a swim. So there is a movement from outside to inside. Okay, they are not in the water swimming. Okay, they are jumping. Okay, out of is to go from inside a space to outside a space. Again the movement is from an enclosed place to outside. Okay, the cat jumped out of the box. Here the cat has jumped out. Okay, the enclosed place being the box. Onto and off. Onto and off refers to the surfaces differently from into and out of. See, remember that into and out of refers to an enclosed spaces, whereas onto and off refers to the surfaces. Okay, जो plain surface होते हैं बेटा उसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं तो onto and off यूज़ करते हैं. The dog jumped onto the table or the dog jumped into the table. Which is the correct? Yes, the first one is correct because table is the surface, not the enclosed place. Okay, so first one is correct. I took the picture of the wall. I took the picture out of the wall. Wall is not an enclosed place, so हम उसको निकाल नहीं रहे. Okay, we are not using out of. The first one is correct, that is I took the picture of the wall. That means I have taken it out of the surface, that is wall. Clear students? When there is an enclosed place, we will use into and out of. When we are talking about surface, plain surface, we will take the words onto and off. Understand beta? The concept being enclosed space as well as surface. go up and go down can also be used for increase or decrease in addition to the physical movement. There is a physical movement, but there is an increase or decrease. The price of food has gone up in the past 2 years. The number of clothes have gone down. Okay, here the number is coming down, going down, and if it is increasing, going up. The man is going up the stairs. He is going down the stairs. That means movement is towards upstairs and the movement is down. To go over is to pass above something, and to go under is to pass below something. My dear students, you have to remember that this passing over does not touch. Okay, there is no contact. The ball went over the wall and then under the table. Here the ball touches neither the wall nor the table. Towards. If you go towards something, you get closer to it. Whereas in away from, if you go away from something, you get farther away from it. Now we have to look towards it very keenly. See, the dog is running towards me. So the movement of the dog shows the direction being towards me. Whereas in this, the boy is running away from me. The direction of this running away is away from me. Okay. I hope students you have learned it well, and you will revise this video thoroughly again and again.